part as
women
well.
health. Yeah.
Yeah, because they are the ones who choose the food.
This has been our basically our mission. If you go to our website, this is our mission to promote the nutrition. Because see, end of the day, let's say we are making a path-breaking product like Sportify, gluten-free flour. Now, unless people understand the value of this type of healthy nutrition mix, how can they think of even buying a startup food product? End of the day, this is really impacting human health, and it's not just from the taste angle. It's a health and the taste both we are giving together in Spotify. What we appeal to the parents out there is please, whenever you're doing Google, when you're doing YouTube, being a lot of videos in the YouTube, try to at least see one video on nutrition from in YouTube. Okay, many times all these YouTube videos, some are short videos like less than 4 minutes. You should see that, and also you should also take care of the fact whether whether the person who is speaking in that video is qualified enough. Is he a doctor or a nutritionist or a food technologist or a dietitian? So unless he is from this sort of science fraternity, any other person who is talking anything may not be that much valid scientifically. He or she may be talking from the experience they have, but it may not be scientifically validated. So people like us who are in this food industry for last 14 and a half years, we have seen it all. Like I have started my career from Heinz. Then I went to Britannia. I was working in their R&D segment. And then lastly, I was working in a corporate known as Novozymes, which is making enzymes, industrial enzymes in food, agriculture, or any other biorefinery. So where I was working as a senior scientist. So after 10 years of my corporate experience, I started this startup where for the initial 3 years, we helped the small scale food industry to provide a lot of cutting edge technology in terms of the food products. Then we started Sportify 2 years back, around 2 years back. And this product is now readily available. So we have seen that if you get a right nutrition in your diet,